for the sparrows. Let us begin. First, I will introduce you the materials we need. So the materials we need are green chart paper, some decorative flowers, golden foam sheet, a waste soap box and scissors. Let us begin. First, I will wrap the box with the green chart paper. I have finished wrapping the box and I have also made 2 holes on the upper side of the box to hang it. Now let us see how to hang the box. First, I am going to pass the thread from inside the box. And we will pass it from the another hole. We have finished passing the thread from the box and we have completely packed the box. And now we are going to draw a door for the bird to go inside. I have made the door like this. We have finished drawing our door. And now we will only cut the upper side of the door with the help of our elders. And now I am going to stick a paper here. Our birdhouse is ready and now I am going to decorate it. Let us stick the flower. I have finished decorating our birdhouse and now our birdhouse is ready. And if you like my video, share it, like it, comment it, subscribe it and do not forget to click the bell option to get more notifications of my upcoming exciting videos like this.